Welcome back to Mama Capbettas Cooking Channel. Today we're going to be making a cherry cream cheese braided Danish. Hope you enjoy. Here are all my ingredients for my cherry cream cheese braided Danish. And as you can see, I have my dry ingredients here, and then my liquid ingredients, and then my cream cheese, my butter, and my egg. And I will give you the recipe amount at the end of the video. And these 6 tablespoons of butter, my sugar, my water, and my milk. And I'm going to turn that on and let it go to 120 degrees. Okay, I'm placing my thermometer in, and I'm going to keep an eye on it until it gets to 120 degrees. Okay? At 120 degrees. So I'm going to stop it and take it off the stove and stir it around a little until my butter melts. I'm adding in my butter, sugar, water, and milk. That's 120 degrees into my mixing bowl. Okay, hold on one second. I've got to get my scraper. I like to scrape everything in, as you can see. Don't like to waste anything. Okay. And now I'm adding in my salt. I'm going to stir that around a little bit. You can bring it over so you can see inside of the bowl. Yes. I have a nephew filming today for me, Robert. And now I'm adding in my flour. Okay, and just a second, I'm going to get everything mixed in. And this is 2 1/4 cups of flour that I'm adding in. I'm just going to add the rest on. Scrape that out too. Sorry about the back of it. I'm a little backwards today. And what I'm going to do is make a dent in my mixture, and that's where I'm going to put my yeast. Okay, into that. And I'm going to put it in on my mixing bowl. I'm going to put it down to a medium, or say maybe at 1, until it starts to mix. And then I'm going to put it up to medium for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until the dough pulls away from the side of the bowl. My mixing dough. I'm going to scrape as I go along as well. Scrape the side of the bowl. Oops. So that way everything gets mixed up real good. Okay. Okay, I'm going to start that again. you can see, the dough is getting mixed pretty well and it's starting to come together. And I'm just going to look at it a little bit now, maybe 5 more minutes. Okay. I'm going to butter the bowl with my little extra butter. I like to use butter, so it makes it taste better. And then I'm going to put my dough in here and let it rest for about an hour. Okay. And now I'm going to make my dough into a ball. As you can see, it's nice and soft and smooth. And I'm going to place it in my bowl and put it in a warm place for about an hour. I'm going to cover it. And this is what my dough looks like after an hour of rising. Boy, doesn't that look good. And I put this in the microwave. I put a wet towel over it and some plastic and set it in my microwave for about an hour with the light on, and it makes it really warm inside so that my dough rises perfectly. And now I'm rolling my dough out into a kind of a square. As you can see, I'm spreading the cream cheese down the middle. And this is where I will be putting my cherry preserves at. And you can use as much as you want. This is 8 ounces here. So, spread it out. Until it covers the center. I like to use this little spatula here because it's very flexible and it bends the way I like it to. Now we're going to add the cherry preserves. And I like a lot of cherries, so this is probably about a cup full. That way when you cut it, everybody gets the taste of cherries. No skimping on the cherries. Okay. And then I'll just spread them out so that each section has cherries in it. As you can see. As you can see here, I cut the tops off of the corner so that it can make it neat. And then I began cutting strips, even strips along the side. And I'm going to continue to go down until I complete it. Okay, now you begin to just fold your braids over, one at a time. And we can always fix that there. And we're going to continue this down, braiding over. until we complete the total braid. And we can fix that as well. Okay. I'm going to cut this a little more. So I'm going to cut it all the way up so that the braid can come out. Cut this as well. And don't worry if you mess up a little. It'll all come out good in the end. You want to make sure your braids are cut all the way up. Okay. And here's my braid. And so all I did was make it go over and under. And then we're going to put some icing on it. Well, after it's cooked, I'm going to brush it with butter and put it in the oven. And now we're going to put it in the oven for at least 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees. You can get me in it. And I'm going to bake it. Put it at 25 and then check it. And this is the cherry cream cheese Danish, or cherry cream cheese braided Danish. And I cooked this for 25 minutes. I added butter on top during the cooking time, and this is the result. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to drizzle some icing on it and then put some almonds on top. Okay, now I'm getting ready to add a little drizzle to the fizzle. I'll just keep adding more. Just keep adding. I'm going to add some almonds, toasted almonds on top. Just to give it a little more flavor. And you can add as much as you want.